Okay, Dr. Scholz, our next question is something that is widespread in Google searches, Yahoo, everything else that I could possibly think of. I see this every day. And the question is, how do you test for prostate cancer?
I assume you mean how do we diagnose it? And of course, in screening for all cancers, there's always an issue of how hard you look and then what test do you use. In the prostate cancer world, the famous blood test PSA is always front and center, and it has some great strengths and some real limitations. The problem is while it's a pretty sensitive indicator of prostate cancer when it's present, it's also an indicator of prostatitis, and it's also an indicator of big prostates, and it's also an indicator of laboratory errors sometimes and recent sexual activity. So one patient kindly shared a clever insight. He thought that we could describe the PSA as like a check engine light on the dashboard of your car. So it's very useful to have that check engine light, but it doesn't always point exactly to what's going on. And the next step, which is to try and determine if it's a cancer-related cause, I recommend that men get a multiparametric MRI at a reputable center. Most of the country is still doing random biopsies. Random biopsies have been around since the late 80s, where they stick the prostate a dozen times through the rectal wall with a rather large bore needle, looking around to see if there's any cancer in the prostate. It's uncomfortable, but not terrible, but 1 in 50 men ends up hospitalized with a life-threatening infection because they're poking through the rectum. So that's why I prefer the MRIs as a first step. There have been head-to-head studies comparing MRIs with prostate biopsies as an initial step, and the MRIs are more accurate. So they do need to be done at a reputable center, of course. So I think that a PSA done annually starting at age 40 or 45 is a great first step. And then if there's an abnormality or something suspicious going on, have an MRI done at a reputable center.
If you would like more information about an MRI center near you, you can go ahead and visit our website, PCRI.org, and under our services, you can see imaging centers. And it'll have it by state, and you can check it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you have further questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. And for more information, visit our website, PCRI.org.